this video, we'll be going over CFAM sheet 610, Contact Info. Contact Info page has the contacts reported through SIS during cycle pools for key personnel positions, required spots by law, different things like that. That school personnel directory is on the ADE data site. It's searchable here by district and school, and it has this information here. We're bringing that in here, but tracking it through years, so you could find information about prior years who was in those positions, and also just giving it in a view that's a little bit easier for dealing with if you're needing to send emails out to groups or to actually use that in Excel as opposed to just the website listing on DESI's site. And so here we have filters for the entity and the contact title. If we wanted to get rid of all and just say give me all bookkeepers, apply, we would then get the bookkeepers in the state. We could then use our format to download here and click crosstab. We'll get that as Excel. As that opens up, we would then have a list of all the bookkeepers. You'll see larger districts have multiples, and then that information is here for phone numbers and different things like that. We're also pulling this by campuses, and so if you have, as opposed to district, and you wanted to look at the campus level information, change that over here. And you would get these campus level positions. You could get all principals of the school, assistant principals, and those kinds of things. This is CFAM sheet 610, contact information.